Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into game development, 3D art, or just love collecting high quality assets for your projects, you're in for a treat today. As you know, every 2 weeks, Epic gives away 3 incredible asset packs for free. They're always packed with everything you need to level up your projects, from high quality characters to environments. There's just something here for everyone. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything that you need to know about these free asset drops. We'll take a closer look at what's inside each asset pack and how you can use them in your projects and why you should absolutely grab them before they're gone. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. Whether you're creating a cinematic, building games, or just experimenting with Unreal Engine 5's features, these assets are a complete game changer. So let's dive right in and see what Epic has in store for us this time. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you never miss out on these free asset updates. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first asset pack that we have here is this 1850s post office environment. So this asset pack is from Just Be Studios. So essentially this is supposed to be like an old 1850s American post office. So you can see how worn out the building is. And it has sort of like this abandoned look to it. You can see that some of the windows and doors are boarded up. And I'll just give you guys a larger outlook on the entire level. So it comes with this entire level that is sort of like this swamp forest, but let's go ahead and actually take a closer look inside of here so you can see what the inside looks like. So here is sort of like the porch. I wonder if there's actually an interior. So there is an interior, however it is not very complete, as you can see. So it's mainly just for the exterior of the building. We pop back out here, you can see again just some of the details in this prop. So it's a very nice detailed environment. Okay, it looks like some of the textures there aren't rendering. Not sure what's up with that. Okay, over here it looks like we have some sort of machinery, and this is like the swamp area. So it comes with this nice water material. Okay, it looks like we have this little shack over here. So I don't know, you guys can use these props for making some sort of abandoned environment. It doesn't really need to follow the same theme of the pack. You can just use these assets as needed. So yeah, maybe you can make some sort of zombie apocalypse game with this. But yeah, here's another little shack over here, and there might be another little one right over here. It looks like just a little shed area. But yeah, that's overall just the level. So we can go ahead and show you guys some of the props that come included in this asset pack. So over here is the overview level. So these are all the assets that come included. So you can see, let's start over here. These are all the different tree props. So these are mainly, forests for a swamp area. These are actually some nice bush meshes. Looks like they're not super detailed, kind of just like cards. Not too high detailed, so they're pretty well game optimized. Okay, some of the trees and some logs and roots. Okay, over here, these are some of the boardwalks. Again, I'm not sure why the texture isn't rendering there. Could just be an issue with the material. Okay, here are some of the brick wall pieces, ruins, which are honestly pretty nice. Even these wood walls, you can see like the breakup. Really like the way that this is styled. Okay, some more different door pieces over there. Over here in the back, we have sort of like the roof. So look at all the different tiles and broken parts. Okay, some more different wood pieces over there. And then over here are all the different props that come included. So you can see we have different types of post office signs. Okay, we have some wanted stickers. So maybe it's like an old Western type asset pack. Some different crates, boxes. Again, this little machine, not sure what this is for. Maybe someone in the comments will let us know. We have an old little wagon in the back. Looks like a sack of letters there and a little boat. Yep, so those are all the assets in the 1850s post office environment. All right, before we dive into the next asset pack, I want to take a quick moment to tell you about something I've been working on that I'm super excited to share with you. If you ever wanted to create your own multiplayer survival game in Unreal Engine 5, I got something just for you. Have you ever dreamed of making your own video game? Are you tired of watching millions of YouTube tutorials that don't teach you anything? Well, I was in your same position many years ago, and so that's why I created the ultimate Unreal Engine 5 multiplayer survival game course. This course will teach you step by step how to create a Steam multiplayer survival game inside of Unreal Engine 5 from complete scratch. You'll learn how to create a drag and drop inventory system, a crafting system where you can craft different types of tools and items. We'll create a harvesting system and gathering system where you can chop down trees, you can mine rocks, blocks and pick bushes. We'll add a complete building system where you can build a base and a raiding and clans or tribe system so you can raid other players. You can pick up the course right now on my website, smartpoly.teachable.com, or click the top link in the description below. So take your game development skills to the next level and check out the course, link in the description below. All right, next asset pack that we have here is the G2 Mercenaries asset pack. So this is a character pack that is extremely well detailed. Comes with two different characters, a male and a female character, with different clothing accessories. So it sort of has like this, I don't know, futuristic wear or this tech wear. And I would love to show you guys the playable character. It comes with a playable character. However, the downside is that it's not set up with enhanced input. So I tried importing the input file and it didn't seem to work. So I really wish that the creator would just, upgrade this to enhanced input so that we're not dealing with the old input system. But yeah, that's my only gripe with this asset pack. As you can see, this is very well detailed. All the different clothing pieces, different modular pieces, as you can see here. And over here are the different head pieces. So you can see these are the different customizations with hair and without any hair. Okay, so this is the male body over here. So you can see the different clothing accessories and also the different shoes. Okay, it even comes with these first-person arm setup. So, maybe you could use this in a first-person game as well. You can see different glove accessories. So pretty neat that they have the character model separated into these different parts. So honestly, might use this for a future game. So yeah, here are some more of the female characters, some of the different customizations that you can have with the full outfits. Okay, and of course the male variants. So pretty neat male base character there. And here's some of the different hairstyles. So it's the same style, but it's, different colorations. It even comes with, looks like morph targets. So if you wanted to animate the character's face. And then over here we have a character package with blueprints, some of the presetted character blueprints. Okay, some of the female character blueprints. And then over here it looks like we have different color regions, so you can change the colors of the outfits. So you can see like a yellow jacket over there. So that's pretty neat that it comes with that customization option, so you can get different color variants. Anyways, that is pretty much it for this pack. Again, it's super annoying that the input isn't set up for this. Like I said, I tried downloading the input file and setting it up for this video. It didn't work out, so maybe the creator will update to enhance input system. It's just super annoying having to run into these issues when I'm trying to just make a review video. So the last asset pack is this cinematic camera asset pack. Basically, this is sort of like a cinematic camera blueprint. So if you hit the play button, it will spawn in as the character. So it has sort of like this character controller that is a cinematic camera where you can change focus distance, you can change your focal length, you can free fly. And if I actually press K, these are all the key bindings. So we have things like free look, fly down, auto walk. So if we just walk forward, it will just auto pan. And we have our zoom speed. Num plus is automatic zoom. So there's just a lot of different controls here. I'm probably not going to learn all the different controls. So I'm guessing you could use this if you wanted to create, some sort of cinematic in your environment using this camera. Or maybe you could use this as some sort of in-game cinematic camera. I'm not really sure what you'd use this for outside of, just a really easy way to capture some cinematics for your environment. So you can hide the overlay by pressing H. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, what you'd use this asset pack for. It comes with this little camera blueprint. So you could just place this game mode into an environment. Say if we just go into the 1850s post office environment levels. Let's go to the showcase level, and maybe in the world settings, we'll change the game mode for that cinematic camera game mode. So if we go ahead and select that, hit play, we can spawn in with this camera. Okay, we can press H to hide the overlay. And yeah, maybe you can create some sort of cool cinematic. So yeah, I don't know, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. Is this something that you would use? It'd honestly be really good for creating maybe like an asset showcase video. But yeah, those are pretty much all the 3 asset packs that we're getting for this month, the month of April. Well, till the end of April and pretty much till May. So make sure that you head over to FAB before May the 6th, before these assets are gone. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.